Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening My Geo and signing in with your Geo number. Expect an OTP right away. Grant the minimal permissions requested so the app can refresh your account quickly. Once done, you land on the home screen. Make sure to tap the primary account card or profile icon. That action pulls up plan and billing widgets. This first move connects the app to your carrier data, so the usage shown reflects the network's records rather than local device counters. Next, navigate to the Data Usage or Usage Details section. It's typically under the account card. You'll see a graph and numeric values. Select the current billing cycle or set custom dates to compare consumed versus remaining gigabytes. Once selected, use the daily breakdown and app-wise consumption to identify spikes or heavy apps. This helps you understand why usage climbed and when. Make sure to toggle between mobile and hotspot usage if you share your connection, because totals differ. To finish, export or screenshot the summary for your records and note the plan reset date so you avoid surprises. If the app's numbers do not match your device counters, refresh the account, log out and back in, or reinstall My Geo to force a resync. If issues persist, contact Geo support with your account ID and a screenshot of the discrepancy. They can reconcile carrier-side records. One troubleshooting tip: confirm the billing cycle range before reporting errors, because misaligned dates are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.